Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your order history on Amazon. Now, Amazon doesn't actually let you delete order history completely, but there is a simple workaround. You can archive orders so they're hidden from your main order list. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to amazon.com. Sign in to your Amazon account, enter your email address, and click Continue. Then type in your password and click Sign In. From the home page, click Returns and Orders at the top menu. This will take you to a list of all your past orders. Locate the order you want to hide. Scroll through your order history until you find the one you'd like to archive. Click Archive Order under the item. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm by clicking Archive Order again. The order will now be hidden from your main order history, but you can still access it anytime under Accounts and Lists and Archive Orders. And that's it. While you can't permanently delete orders from Amazon, archiving them is the best way to keep your order history clean and private. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.